In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact ClickFunnels support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to say, and how to escalate to a real person when you need extra help. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickFunnels workspace. Support is accessed from inside your account, so being signed in ensures the team can see the right context for your issue. If you manage multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the one where the problem is happening. This helps you get targeted answers faster. Once you're in, look for the Help or Support button. Depending on the current interface, you'll usually find it in the bottom right as a chat-style icon, or in the top right as a Help or Support label. Click that to open the support panel. You'll be greeted by the AI support bot. Start by typing your question or describing the problem in clear, simple terms. Include what you were trying to do, where it happened, and any exact error message you saw. For example, mention the name of the funnel or page and a short description like, "Publishing changes doesn't update on the live page." The bot can surface relevant guides and walk you through quick fixes, which is often the fastest path to a solution. If the suggestions don't resolve your issue, let the bot know you want to connect with a live support agent. You can say something like, "Please connect me to a live agent," and keep your summary of the issue visible in the chat, so the agent has context as soon as they join. This saves time and reduces back and forth. A support representative will then join the chat. Response times can vary based on volume, and replies are handled as tickets are processed, so don't worry if there's a short delay. Keep the chat window open, and be ready to provide any details that help them reproduce the issue. Things like the funnel or page name, the step you were on, and the approximate time it occurred. If you've already tried certain troubleshooting steps, mention those too so they don't repeat them. While you wait, you can continue working in your account. When the agent replies, you'll see the response in the same chat thread, and you can follow any instructions directly from there. That's all there is to it. Log in, open Help or Support, start with the AI support bot, and if needed, ask to connect with a live support agent. Follow these steps, and you'll get the right help as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your next support request smooth and stress-free.